Hey guys, Chad here at Guarantee RV with the Desert Fox 27FS. Couple features here. First of all, right up front you'll see there's a cable and a lock there, so if you got to lock up your bikes or whatever at night. Full electric jack here with a light, 7-gallon propane tanks with a cover. Over here you got solar ready to plug in a solar panel and go whenever you'd like to. Got a 4,000 watt Onan Cummins gen. That's going to feed right off of your tanks in the back. As we come around here, gray tank, black tank's going to be up underneath. Shower. This is going to be all your connections and everything. 10-gallon hot water heater. Right here is going to be your fueling station. This is where you put your fuel in to run your generator and to refuel your quads or dirt bikes or whatever. Right here's your back ramp. As we go around, you'll see that there's some pretty heavy duty latches on this one. A couple cool features here. The solid steps, we're going to skip those for just a second. We're going to show you this compartment up here, plenty of storage. Now we're going to go back to the inside here. So like I said, solid steps, big grab bar. As we come inside, you'll notice that we got a queen bed up here, couches that fold down into a bed or chairs. You put your center dining table in between those, obviously. This is going to fold down. You got some chairs here. Obviously you could put the ramp down and fit all your toys in as well. Kenwood sub right there. Full touchscreen dash right here for your radio and all that good stuff. TV up top. You got yourself an oven, microwave, sink. I mean, this thing's pretty loaded up. The cool thing is your sinks are also going to be separate, so you can have fresh and dirty. As we come around here, you got a Northwood fridge. And then we'll show you the bathroom real quick. It's got a little tub, so if you guys strip down and throw some dirty clothes in there, you can. And then your sink's going to be right out here and your bed. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Chad Lands here at Guarantee RV, 702-249-6264. If you got any more questions, give me a call. Thanks.